Now we can see the defender egress, friction hinges for the emergency exit with the easy cleaning facilities. So here we can see the plastic end caps. Due to this end cap, the moving and out of the friction hinges is very easy, and the allows casement window to open to full 90-degree for emergency exit. New composite slider with the stainless steel release lever mechanism allow cleaning access from the inside of the building. Automatic reset to the fire escape mode when window is closed. Now here we can see some more technical issues. Like this is the opening angle of the friction hinge, how we can open and clean the window. Here we can see how much vent weight we require for the defender egress. We want 22 to 24. Due to 22 to 24, we can use the defender egress maximum vent weight, and the angle is 90-degree. This is our 12 inches side hung easy cleaning defender hinges. So this is the EDSC 12. This is the egress position, and this is the opening. We can see the 90-degree. You can open it. Here we can see hole dimensions and the other parameters for the friction hinges. EDSC 12 is the 13 mm stack height. You can open this, is up to the 80-degree. These are the parameters for the EDSC 12. Maximum weight it can bear is 22, and the maximum width you can go from the EDSC 12 is 1600, and the hardware cavity is 13 to 14. These are the easy cleaning buttons, but by this we can easily clean the area of this friction hinge. This is the asymmetrical arrowhead. When it will come here, it will close, and like this we can close it. Now we can see this storm. There is one arrow. By this we can see that how we can open the storm balance. It's in 16 mm stack height. Storm 10 means 10 inches, and it stands for the storm. The maximum height we can go up to the 635. How we can separate the friction hinges from secure style? That 30,000 cycles giving the 100 years value, and each stays tested in salt spray for 500 hours to avoid the corrosion. So lip plastic slider to avoid the metal to metal contact. Cam friction device for the friction hinge adjustment. Cam friction device by the it's giving the security of the friction hinges that it cannot be goes down to their positions what we specified at the sash. Manufactured from 304 grade stainless steel, which is the anti-rust and corrosion resistance, conforming to all the leading international standards and 12-year guaranteed. To ensure that all the available positions are presented, we suggested that the specifier communicated directly with the operational solution provider. Dimension and the weight measurement for the correct friction and stay application is available here. Here we can see some applications. So from the secure style, here is some arrangement for the top hung windows and the side hung windows. So EDT 6, these are for the residential building application. These are the light duty application. The minimum height for the top hung window secure style providing the friction index is 150, and the maximum height for the defender is 1500, means 1500. The opening angle is up to the 80 degree for the top hung window, and it's coming in the 6, 8, 10, 12, 20 and 24 inches. For the side hung window, it started with the 8, 12, 16 inches, and the angle of opening is maximum is 90 degree, and we can start the provide friction hinges for the side hung. The minimum vent width is the 200 and the maximum is 1000. Now we can see the Stirling chart. These all about the Defender Egress. This is for the Stirling, and Stirling is also coming in the 10, 12, 16 and 22, 26 inches, and it's also arranged due to the heights and angles. The maximum height for this is 2500, and the minimum height is 267 mm, and the opening angle is maximum 50 degree. These are some special Stirling which is for the heavy applications. SPS 10, that means 10 inches, SPS H 16 inches. These are the application for the side hung windows, and it can stand with the 55 kg weight, and the maximum height is for the 838. Now we can see the Storm Balance heavy duty commercial application. Storm is also coming in the 10, 12, 16, 22 and 26 inches, and the maximum height is for the 2200, and the minimum one is 267. The opening angle is maximum is 50 degree. For the side hung, we can see the Storm 10, 16 inches, and the maximum opening angle is the 90 degree, and the maximum height width is the 838. Now we can see others hardware from the secure style. This is the restrictor. It can restrict the opening for the top hung. After that friction hinges, if you want more restriction in the opening, you can provide the restrictor to restrict the opening. These are the pull-in blocks. Pull-in blocks at the at the above area of the top hung. We are providing the pull-in block to get the weather sealing and to reduce the stress at the top area of the top hung.